Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Aloo Gobi, an iconic Indian dish, truly is a celebration of flavor and texture. It features tender potatoes and crisp cauliflower, gently simmered in a medley of aromatic spices. This hearty vegetarian curry is a staple in many Indian homes, beloved for its comforting warmth and versatility. It's surprisingly easy to make, a perfect introduction to Indian cooking. To start your Aloo Gobi adventure, gather fresh potatoes and a sturdy head of cauliflower. For the aromatic base, you'll want onions, ginger, and garlic. The magic truly happens with the spices. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, and a hint of garam masala are essential. Tomatoes add a lovely tang and richness, completing your ingredient list beautifully. Start by heating a bit of oil in a large, sturdy pan over medium heat. Once warm, toss in some whole cumin seeds. Let them crackle for a moment. Then, add your finely chopped onions, stirring until they soften and turn a beautiful golden color. After that, stir in your fresh ginger and garlic paste, cooking just until you smell their wonderful fragrance. Once the aromatics are ready, it's time to add the stars of the dish. Introduce your diced potatoes first, letting them cook for a few minutes to get a head start. Next, sprinkle in your powdered spices, turmeric, coriander, and cumin, stirring well to coat the potatoes evenly. Then, gently fold in your fresh cauliflower florets and chopped tomatoes, creating a vibrant mix ready for simmering. Pour in a little water, then cover your pan, allowing the Aloo Gobi to gently simmer until both the potatoes and cauliflower are perfectly tender. Just before serving, stir in a touch of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth, and sprinkle generously with fresh cilantro. Your homemade Aloo Gobi is now ready to be enjoyed, a truly comforting and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.